The body creates nitric oxide, no, through the conversion of dietary nitrates. The easiest and best way to receive nitric oxide is through a regular diet that includes plenty of veggies. A signaling molecule that improves immune cell communication and controls immune system operations is nitric oxide. Moreover, it has vasodilator properties that enhance blood flow and support the preservation of cardiovascular health. Particularly in those with high blood pressure, dietary nitrates can lower blood pressure. Because nitric oxide improves blood supply to working muscles and delays tiredness, it may potentially have a positive effect on exercise performance. It's crucial to speak with a medical expert before implementing big dietary adjustments or thinking about using supplements. We'll go over 12 foods that naturally raise nitric oxide levels in this video. 1. Beetroots. Because of their high dietary nitric content, beetroots are a great way to increase the body's nitric oxide levels. Beetroot juice has been demonstrated in studies to raise nitric oxide levels by as much as 21% in 45 minutes. Beets with a high nitric content have been associated with reduced blood pressure, better physical performance, and cognitive enhancement. Supplementing with beetroot juice has been shown to increase exercise efficiency and endurance in athletes, as well as cognitive performance in older persons. Additionally, drinking beetroot juice has been linked to lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, especially in those with hypertension. Beetroots provide a natural and efficient technique to support nitric oxide synthesis and enhance general health because of their high nitric content. 2. Pomegranate. Antioxidants included in pomegranates help shield cells and maintain nitric oxide levels. Pomegranate juice raises nitric oxide synthase levels and boosts nitric oxide activity, according to studies. Because of these benefits on blood flow, pomegranates are useful in treating disorders including erectile dysfunction and high blood pressure. In addition to lowering oxidative stress, pomegranates may protect the brain from conditions like Alzheimer's. If fresh pomegranates aren't available, you can still benefit from their nitric oxide boosting qualities by including a super reds powder in your diet. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are a healthy tree nut that are high in protein, vitamins, minerals, and good unsaturated fats including magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. L-arginine, an amino acid found in them, is a precursor to the body's production of nitric oxide. No, this conversion mechanism helps produce nitric oxide, which has several health benefits. Additionally, walnuts contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances that help lower inflammation and guard against oxidative damage. Walnuts can enhance cardiovascular health by promoting vasodilation, raising nitric oxide levels, and reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. A practical strategy to enhance nitric oxide generation and get the many health advantages of walnuts is to include them in your diet. 4. Garlic. By activating nitric oxide synthase, which changes L-arginine into nitric oxide, garlic is known to raise nitric oxide levels. In animal experiments, aged garlic extract has been shown to raise blood nitric oxide levels by as much as 40% an hour after eating. Additionally, it optimizes the body's absorption of nitric oxide. Studies on humans and animals have shown that garlic's capacity to increase nitric oxide levels is associated with lowered blood pressure and enhanced exercise tolerance. Antioxidants, vitamins B6 and C, and minerals like manganese are all abundant in garlic. These chemicals and antioxidants, which include garlic's allicin, help to maintain cardiovascular health by warding off oxidative stress and inflammation. 5. Dark chocolate. Flavonols, which are abundant in dark chocolate, can raise nitric oxide levels and support heart function. Research has demonstrated that dark chocolate dramatically lowers blood pressure and raises blood nitric oxide levels. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which are linked to better blood flow, better mental function, and a lower risk of heart disease. Sugar, butter, and cocoa solids are the ingredients of dark chocolate. It is a good source of minerals and antioxidants due to its high chocolate content. These substances guard against oxidative stress, promote the synthesis of nitric oxide, and reduce inflammation, all of which are beneficial to cardiovascular health. As part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, it's crucial to select dark chocolate with a high cocoa percentage and consume it in moderation. 6. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C, which is abundant in citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits, can raise the body's levels of nitric oxide. Vitamin C stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide synthase and enhances the bioavailability and absorption of nitric oxide. Citrus fruits have been shown in studies to increase nitric oxide levels, which may lower blood pressure, enhance brain function, and minimize the risk of heart disease. These fruits are rich in fiber, low in calories, and loaded with vital minerals and vitamins. By preserving adequate quantities of the amino acid L-arginine, the antioxidant qualities of vitamin C in citrus fruits facilitate the generation of nitric oxide. Including citrus fruits in your diet is an easy and fun method to boost the generation of nitric oxide and reap the related health benefits. 7. Eggplant. Antioxidants found in eggplant, including as anthocyanins and chlorogenic acid, lessen oxidative stress and obliquely promote nitric oxide synthesis. Additionally, it contains dietary nitrates, which the body can use to produce nitric oxide. Natinin, one of the compounds in eggplant, has the ability to increase the generation of nitric oxide and stimulate acetylation. The availability and function of nitric oxide can also be indirectly supported by the vegetable's anti-inflammatory qualities, which are attributed to substances like flavonoids and anthocyanins. Individuals may benefit from eggplant's capacity to positively alter nitric oxide metabolism by incorporating it into a balanced diet. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in nutrients and has about 39.5 milligrams of nitrates per 100 grams. Broccoli is also a great source of manganese, potassium, fiber, and vitamins C and K. Broccoli and other cruciferous plants may help prevent chronic illnesses like heart disease and some types of cancer, according to research. It has bioactive substances with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, including as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol. For broccoli to maintain its nutritious worth, it should be eaten raw or very minimally cooked. 9. Meat. Rich sources of coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, a substance that aids in maintaining the body's levels of nitric oxide, include meat, poultry, and shellfish. Meat and poultry account for around 64% of the overall intake of CoQ10, which is a considerable contribution from these meals. The highest concentration of CoQ10 is found in organ meats, fatty fish, and muscle meats like beef, poultry, and pork. According to studies, getting enough CoQ10 from these sources helps to maintain nitric oxide, enhances sports performance, shields against migraines, and strengthens the heart. It's crucial to include these items made from animals in a balanced diet and to eat them in moderation. Legumes, whole grains, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are plant-based sources of CoQ10 that are suitable for individuals with dietary restrictions. Comparatively speaking to meals derived from animals, these sources offer lower concentrations of CoQ10. 10. Radish. At about 625 milligrams of nitrates per 100 grams, radishes are a nitrate-rich root vegetable. Flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, are also present in radishes. Because each hue of radishes has a different flavonoid content, colors like red, purple, and white provide different health benefits. Studies indicate that radish flavonoids might possess antibacterial, anti-cancer, and anti-inflammatory characteristics. They can also improve heart health, lower oxidative stress, and regulate blood sugar. 11. Leafy green vegetables. Nitrates, which are abundant in leafy green vegetables like spinach, arugula, kale, and cabbage, can be transformed by the body into nitric oxide. Research evaluations suggest that eating foods high in nitrates on a regular basis helps preserve blood and tissue nitric oxide levels. According to studies, eating a nitrate-rich meal that included spinach considerably lowered systolic blood pressure and raised salivary nitrate levels. These veggies might help lower your chance of heart disease and cognitive decline. Among regularly consumed plants, Spinach has the greatest nitrate concentration, ranging from 24 to 387 milligrams per 100-gram meal. On the other hand, growth circumstances might affect the amount of nitrate. 12. Wax gourd. The vegetable wax gourd, sometimes referred to as winter melon or ash gourd, has nitrates that can raise nitric oxide levels. The body transforms nitrates from foods like wax gourd into nitric oxide, which is essential for controlling blood pressure, vascular health, and immune system performance. Dietary nitrates have been linked to increased nitric oxide and possible cardiovascular benefits. In addition to being low in calories, the wax gourd is high in potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. In summary, including meals that increase nitric oxide can enhance exercise performance and cardiovascular health. Include these foods in your diet, experiment with different recipes, and seek medical advice if necessary. Recall that even minor dietary adjustments can have a significant effect on your well-being. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it useful. Together, let's embrace a better way of living and discover the advantages of nitric oxide. Thank you for watching, and check back soon for more wellness advice.